Hi, I'm Heather Soche, Director of Alumni and Family Events. When was the last time you were on the Hill? If it's been a few years, we can't wait for you to see all of the changes and updates around here. Now, I don't want to give away too much, but let's take a look around at a few of the things you're going to see while you're here. This state-of-the-art building, known as Mack Hall, includes the Cyber War Room as well as the campus's newest auditorium. You may recognize this building behind me that used to be known as Webb Hall. It's been completely renovated and is now called North Hall. We're here at the Harmon Wall. This memorial has gotten a fabulous update to dedicate more space for quiet reflection. As President Schneider liked to say, Dewey Hall hadn't been touched since Admiral Dewey was here. Well, that's definitely no longer the case. Next, join me up on the upper parade ground. So here we are on the upper parade ground, and as you can see, there are countless changes taking place behind me, including adding engraved bricks to the tour strip. I'm sure many of you spent countless hours marching here when you were students. You've really got to see campus in person to explore these changes for yourself. Register today for Homecoming 2019 from September 18th through the 22nd.